विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी किंवा इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी याबद्दल माहिती पाहणार आहोत. ही व्याख्या किंवा ही डेफिनेशन आपण 11वी मध्ये पाहिलेली आहे पहा. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, the potential energy is defined as is the work done against the electrostatics force to achieve a certain configuration of charges in the given system. This configuration of charges, it may be plus plus or it may be plus minus. If both the charges, that is positive charges, we say like charges, and there is repulsion between them, we say that repulsive force. And one charge is positive and another is negative, we say that it is unlike charges. And in this case, there is attraction between them. That means this electrostatics force depending upon two charges. If two charges, like charges, that is plus plus or minus minus, the force between them is repulsion. Or if two forces or two charges, unlike charges, first is positive or another is negative, then there is attraction between them. We say that there is attractive force between them. That means configuration of charges हे कसं असेल तरी the work done against the force. Suppose there is simple system of charges. Suppose there is a positive charge situated at point A, and at some distance at point B there is another positive charge, suppose Q0. In that case, the charge plus Q exerted on force Q0 in the direction. Suppose this is the force Fa bar, and this is the movement of that charge is in this direction, or a displacement, very small displacement of charge Q0 in this direction. That means the force and small displacement are opposite, hence the work done is opposite to the force. This is the first definition of potential energy. There is another definition, the work done required to assemble the system of charges by bringing them from infinity to their present location. That means suppose this is the present location of charge, and another charge Q0 take at very long distance, that is at infinity to at point A. Also there is two charge system, plus plus or minus minus, and one charge exerted force on another charge. In this force and displacement of that charge is opposite, and work is done, and this work done in the form of energy, and that energy is called potential energy or electrostatics potential energy. Suppose let du be the potential potential energy. F bar is the force and dr bar with a small displacement. Therefore, potential energy du is given as F bar into dr bar. But direction of F and dr are opposite. Hence, du is equal to minus F into dr. This is the mathematical or simple definition of potential energy. Then we obtain the expression of potential energy. Expression for potential energy. We consider simple system. Suppose a charge plus Q situated at point O and another charge is situated at point A, say plus Q0. This charge Q0 experience a force, say Fe bar. Then the displacement of that charge is against the direction of force. Suppose there is a B point and this displacement of charge A to B, suppose dr. The charge Q plus Q at a distance r1 from charge Q0. This is the present location. If the charge plus Q exerted some force on Q0, the Q0 displace A to B, or this is the new location of charge Q0 at distance r2 from point O or from charge plus Q. This is the two charge system. In our figure, we consider positive charge system. Therefore, we define the potential energy. In this system, the potential energy is given by du is equal to minus Fe bar into dr. This is the potential energy A to B. We find out the potential energy of total system, that is O to A. Therefore, this total potential energy, we say that delta U, or this delta U is given as integration R1 to R2 into dv. This is the total potential energy of these two charge system. Therefore, delta U is equal to integration R1 to R2 value of du minus Fe bar into dr. This is the Fe bar is the electrostatic force, or it is also called Coulomb force. Then using Coulomb's law, the Coulomb force Fe bar is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 divided by r². square. This is the magnitude of force. Therefore, delta U is equal to integration R1 to R2 minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 R square into dr. Delta U is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 taken constant, integration R1 to R2, also Q0 taken outside from the integration of 1 upon R square into dr. Or this is equal to minus Q0 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 integration R1 to R2 R raised to minus 2 into dr. All this gives delta U is equal to Q0 4 pi epsilon 0. This integration R minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 R1 to R2 using rule x raised to integration x raised to n, that is n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Delta U is equal to Q0 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into R minus 1 divided by minus 1 R1 to R2. This minus sign taken out, and this is also minus plus delta U is equal to minus, or this minus, plus Q0 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 upon R1 to R2. Or this gives delta U is equal to Q0 4 pi epsilon 0 into upper limit minus lower limit, hence 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. This is the expression of potential energy. But this potential energy in the form of work done A to B, therefore work done AB is equal to Q0 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. This is the work done, but this work done in the form of potential energy. This is the expression of potential energy. But we assume that suppose R1 is at infinity according to second definition. R1 is suppose infinity, then R2 is equal to R, and instead of charge plus Q or plus Q0, we say that Q1 and Q1 and Q2. In that case, the potential energy UR, potential energy UR is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R. Potential energy. This is the another expression of potential energy. UR is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R. The potential energy UR is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R. The SI unit of potential energy is joule, and CGS unit is also another unit of potential energy is electron volt, or 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule. This is the unit of this potential energy. Thank you.